Hello, RK.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today?
Good.
Okay, so we will continue our discussion about division. Right? Division and multiplication. Okay, so before we start, let's have multiplication table. So you will start at 6. Okay? A multiplication table is keep counting by 6.
Okay.
6.
What? 6, 12, 16,
6 times 3.
18,
Next, 6 times 4.
24,
Okay, very good. 6 times 5. 6 times 5.
20, 25,
6 times 4 is 24. You need to add 6. And 6 times 5.
30,
Okay, so 6 times 5 is 30. Next, 6 times 6. Always remember, you need to add 6 in every number. 6.
34,
You need to add 6. Your last number is 30. 30 plus 6.
46,
Okay, 36. Next, 6 times 7. 6 times 7.
42,
Okay, correct. Very good. Number 6 times 8.
48,
6 times 9.
54,
And 6 times 10.
60,
Okay, let's have 7. 7.
7, 8, 14, 20,
7 times 3.
18,
No, it's 7 times 3, not 6 times 3. 7, 14. 14 plus 7.
21,
Okay, always remember 7 times 3 is 21. Next, 7 times 4. So 21 plus 7. 21 plus 7.
26,
Again, I'll count.
27,
No, it's not 27. 21 plus 7.
28,
Okay, so it's 28. Next, 7 times 5. The same as 5
35,
times. Okay, 35. Very good. 7 times 6.
42,
Very good. 7 times 7.
49,
Next, 7 times 8.
56,
7 times 9.
62,
Again, 7 times 9.
64,
Oop. 7 times 9. In between. 62 and 64.
66,
Oh, your last answer is 56. 56 plus 7 equals 56. 57, 58, 59, 60. 61, 62.
53,
Okay. Oh, 7 times 9 is 63. Next, 7 times 10. That's the last. 7 times 10 equals. What is 7 times 10? RK. 7 times 10. 63 plus 7. 7 times 10. RK. It's
70,
6. Okay. 70. Okay, so I will show you this multiplication table 1 to 10. Okay, so for you to be familiar, okay, with the numbers. Focus on 6. 6. Oh, kindly read 6. Can you see my screen, RK? Oh, where are you? Yeah.
6,
Yan. Okay, next. 6 times 1, 6. So, 6 times 1 equals 6.
6, 12,
Next, 6 times 3.
18,
6 times 4.
24,
6 times 5.
30,
6 times 6.
36,
6 times 7.
42,
6 times 8.
48,
6 times 9.
54,
Okay, 6 times 10 equals.
60,
Okay, so that is 4, 6. How about 7? 7 times 1. 7 times 1 equals.
7,
Okay, next. 7 times 2.
14.
7 times 3. Always remember that it is,
21.
okay, 21. 7 times 4.
28.
7 times 5.
35.
7 times 6.
42.
7 times 7.
49.
7 times 8.
56.
7 times 9.
63.
And 7 times 10 equals?
70.
Okay. By looking at every number, so it adds, by 6, it adds 6. Okay. 6 plus 6, 12. 6 plus 12, 18. So each number, so you need to add 6. While in 7, okay, so just add 7 each number. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 7, 21. 21 plus 7, 28. 28 plus 7, 35. Until you reach at 70. So 7 times 10. So in every number that multiply, any number that multiply by 10, so just add 0. For example, with this one, 6. 6 times 10, so just add 0. 5 times 10, 5. Add 0. Okay. So just add 0. Okay. Do you have any
Okay.
questions in multiplication table?
No.
Okay. So I would like you to, okay. So can you see my screen? Okay. Okay, comparing division models. So we can show, okay, we can compare the division models using number line, groups of 5, multiplication, 5 equals group. Okay? So for example, select boxes to visualize different ways to model division. What is the equation? Okay? I'll look at the equation. Hello, RK. What is the equation?
Hmm.
The bottom.
5 equal groups.
No. This one. The equation.
Select
30.
box 2.
Yes.
30 divided by 5.
Okay. 30 divided by 5. Which one would you like to use? Number line, groups of 5, multiplication, 5 equals group. 5 equal groups. 30 divided by 5. Oh, choose one. Between number line model, groups of 5, multiplication, 5 equal groups. What do you want to
Groups of
use?
5.
Okay, groups of 5. Okay, so now I will click groups of 5 and look what will happen. Okay. Okay, so groups of 5. So meaning each of this is grouped into 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So when you divide 30 divided by 5, what's the answer? How many?
6.
Okay, how many groups? 6. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6. Okay. Another. Choose between the three.
5 equal groups.
5 equal groups. Okay. Look what will happen. Okay. How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when you divide 30 by 5, each group has, count, 1, 2,
6.
3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6. What else?
Multiplication.
Multiplication? Okay. So 30 divided by 5 equals blank. Okay.
Yeah.
Is the same as 5 times blank equals 30. What's the answer? You already said the answer. Okay. So it's the same as 5 times 6 equals 30. 30 divided by 5 equals 6. Okay, and last is the number line model. Okay, look what will happen. Okay, so it skips by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. How many jumps? Oh, count the number of jumps.
30,
1.
25, 20, 15, 10, 5, 0.
Okay, so just count. Look, from 30, 1, 2, 3,
2, 3,
4,
4.
5, until you reach at 0. Okay, so that is the use of number line. How many jumps? Okay, from the number, the given number up to 0. So it is 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, so we are done in 30 divided by 5. And what's the answer again? 30 divided by 5 equals? What's the answer? 30 divided by 5 equals 6. Okay, let's try another new problem. I will click the new problem. And the new equation is, look, okay. The new equation is, 35 divided by 7. Do you have, and what's your answer? Do you have the answer for 35 divided by 7? What is 35 divided by 7? We will see if your answer is correct using this four different ways. 35 divided by 7 are K.
7 equal groups.
No, no, no,
30
no.
divided by 7.
Oh, what is 35
35 divided by 7
equals?
equals
What's your answer? And then I will reveal using this different model. Okay. We will check your answer using this 4.
5.
Okay. Let's see if your answer is correct. So your answer is 5. Let's use groups of, what do you want?
7.
Groups of 7. Okay. How many? Okay, correct. So it's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, what do you want to use? Next is,
Multiplication.
okay, 35 divided by 7 equals, is the same as when you multiply 7 by 5. Very good. 7 times 5 equals 35. Next, between the two. Number line model or 7 equal groups?
7 equal groups.
Okay. There are 7 and it's divided into, okay. So, how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Ooh, what's that? What's the target? The black. Black what? And
Black
each
what?
group black. Okay, each group has how many? One, two, three, four, five. So meaning your
5.
answer is correct. Okay. And last is using the number line model. So from 35, how many jumps? One, two, three, four, five. Okay. So congrats. Okay. So your answer is correct. 35 divided by 7 equals 5. Okay, let's have new problem. New problem is, okay, what is, look at the equation.
40 divided
40,
by
5. What is 40 divided by 5?
8.
Okay, let's see if your answer is correct. Okay, now we will choose one only, okay? Choose one from the four
Number line model.
number line model. Okay, so from 0 to 40, so you will start at 40 and reduce it by 5. 1. How many jumps? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, it's 9.
No, no. Oh, look. 1. Oh, let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, yeah, 8. I
Okay.
miscounted.
Yes. Okay. So your answer is correct. Very good. Okay. Yeah. So it's 8. Let's have next problem. Oh, it ends. There's no new problem. Both button at the end. Okay. Or maybe next time we will try to use this again. Okay. This is GeoGebra. Okay. So where you can have this, it's like a game comparing division models. Okay. It's different with Wayground that we're using. Mm-mm. Yeah. Let's Wayground naman. Yan. Okay, so wait. Okay. So we will use a Wayground. Number 1. Can you see my screen? Okay. Number 1. Kindly read.
Here's the inverse of multiplication.
Oh, what is the inverse of multiplication? When we say inverse, the opposite.
Division.
Division is correct. Just like in this part, right? In multiplication. So we use multiplication, okay, in solving for division. So that's inverse of multiplication. Division. Number 2. It is the number to be divided. Oh, be careful with this one. Number to be divided. Divisor, dividend. Or between the two. Number to be divided.
Divisor.
Are you sure? Number to be
Divid.
divided.
Divided.
What's your final answer, Arky?
Div. Divided.
Dividend? That's
Yeah.
dividend.
Dividend.
Okay. Okay, correct. So that is a number to be divided. Now, what is a number that is used to divide? Used to divide? Between the two. Number that is used to divide. You already know the dividend. The dividend is a number to be divided. How about a number that is used to divide?
Divisor.
Okay. So that is divisor. Very good. Number 4. Oh, how about this one, RK? Oh, kindly read.
Is the answer it is the answer in division.
Okay. What do you call to the answer in division? Answer in division. Divisor,
Oh,
divided.
one.
Quotient? Is it quotient?
Yeah,
Okay. Again, can you say quotient?
quotient.
Yeah. Oh, very good. Next. Oh, you need to solve for this one. 12 divided by 3 equals
4.
4. Yes, correct. Next, number 6. 14 divided by 2 equals
7.
7. Is correct. Very good. Okay, next. 18 divided by 6. 18 divided by 6.
3.
3 is correct. Number 8. 20 divided by 10.
10.
20 divided by 10. It's division. 20 divided by 10.
2.
2 is correct. Very good. On number 9. 21 divided by 3. 21 divided by 3.
6. 7.
6, 7. There is no 6 in the option. So, what's your
7.
answer? Okay, 7. Next, number 10. 24 divided by 8. 24 divided by 8.
32.
Oh, it's division, division, division.
8.
There's 24 divided by 8. Can you skip counting by, can you do the skip counting by 8? Because we only have 6 and 7, right? Oh,
Yeah.
8, 8, 16.
16. 24.
Mm-hmm. How many? It stops
3.
in. Okay. So 24 divided by 8 equals 3. Okay, so we will continue number 11 after 3-minute break. Okay? We will have a
Okay.
3-minute break muna. Bye for now, RK. See you later.
Bye, teacher. See you.
Okay.